Did you know all of our devices are as dumb as a box of rocks or a bag of hammers? Pick your comparison. Therefore, or this being the case, safe and productive technology use begins, continues, and ends with what is inside your head. In order to be productive and safe during technology use, you need to be calm. Is an adjective. It is defined as not showing or feeling nervousness, anger, or other strong emotions. Mindfulness is the basic human ability to be fully present, aware of where we are and what we're doing, and not overly reactive or overwhelmed by what is going on around us. A visualized outcome is the carrot that pulls you forward and keeps you motivated and inspired as you work toward your goal. Could you design, create, and throw a paper airplane that will reach the planet Saturn? No, you cannot. Realistic expectations involve setting a goal which you can sensibly expect to achieve. We can define focus as giving a lot of attention, time, and effort to one particular thing, while knowing exactly what you want to achieve. We'll define flexible as being able to change one's preferred way of doing things according to the situation. For example, let's say your device, or the device that you prefer to use, winds up looking like this for whatever reason. Or your device of choice becomes infected with malware, making it unsafe to use. You may have to use a friend's computer or a library computer to do what you need to do. And yes, positive collaborations are always a plus. To recap, safe and productive technology use begins, continues, and ends with what is inside your head. Technology Skills for Kids, Book 1, Mental Preparation, is available in paperback and Amazon Kindle editions. Visit technologyskillsforkids.com for details and a link to order from Amazon. And to see the other picture books in this series, designed to help prepare children for safe, productive, and responsible technology use. Thanks for watching. My name is Tech Wizard Mike.